Hello everyone, welcome to Code with Akshi. I'm really excited to start this Python beginner series with you. Have you ever wanted to learn programming but didn't know where to begin? Or maybe you thought coding was too difficult? Don't worry, this series is specially designed for complete beginners. In just 5 lessons, you will build a strong foundation in Python. In today's lesson, we will learn what Python is, where it's used, why millions of people choose it, how to install it, and finally, we will write our very first Python program. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. Before writing our first program, let's understand what actually the Python is. Python is a high level programming language. Now, if you're wondering what that means, don't worry. Think of a programming language as a way to communicate with a computer, just like we use English or Kannada to communicate with people. Programmers use languages like Python to tell computers what to do. Python was created by Guy van Rossum and released in the year 1991. One of the biggest reasons Python became popular is because its syntax is very simple and easy to understand and read. Unlike many other programming languages, Python looks clean and doesn't require lots of complicated symbols. That's why it's one of the best programming languages for beginners. Today, Python is used by many students, software developers, data scientists, AI engineers, and many of the world's biggest companies. Now let's see where Python is used in the real world. Python is one of the most versatile programming languages. It's used in many different industries and technologies. First, Python is widely used in artificial intelligence. Many applications, chatbots, recommendation systems, and intelligent softwares are built using Python. Next is machine learning. Machine learning helps computers to learn from data and make the predictions without being explicitly programmed for every task. So, Python is also used in web development, where many websites and web applications use Python on the backend to manage the user, databases, and the business logic. And the another important field is data science. Python helps to analyze the data, create the charts, and discover useful insights. And it's also popular in automation. Instead of repeating the same task every day, Python can automate it in just few lines of a code. So Python is also used in cybersecurity, game development, scientific research, and cloud computing and many other fields. So this is one of the biggest reasons why learning Python is such a valuable skill today. So why should you choose Python as your first programming language? The first reason is that Python is very easy to learn. Its syntax is simple, readable, and beginner friendly too. The second reason is that Python is in high demand. Thousands of companies around the world hire Python developers. Another reason is that the Python can be used in many different career paths, including artificial intelligence, data science, automations, web development, and cloud computing. So Python also has one of the largest communities in the world, means programming communities. If you ever get stuck, you can easily find tutorials, documentations, and helpful developers online. So learning Python is not just about learning, a language. It's about opening the doors to many exciting career opportunities. Now let's see how to install the Python. First, visit the official Python website. Download the latest version that matches your operating system. Then run the installer. Before clicking install, make sure you check the option Add Python to the path. This step is very important because it allows your computer to recognize the Python commands. Once the installation is complete, Python is ready to use. And in our next practical demonstration, we'll start writing Python programs. Okay, now it's time to write our very first program. So just open your code editor, create a new Python file, and type print hello world. So its job is to display information on the screen. The text inside the quotation marks is called a string. The quotation marks hello world, that is a string. So when we run this program, Python prints exactly what we wrote. So congratulations, you have written your first Python program. So now let's quickly review what we learned today. Today we learned is what is Python, who created Python, where the Python is used, and why Python is popular, how to install the Python, and how to write our first Python program. So this is a great first step in our Pythoning journey. So before you leave, I want to share one powerful thought with you, and this is for you. So thank you so much for watching. Happy coding.